Have you ever sat in a management meeting with your client and heard the question, "So how's our roof doing?" Most of the time, they don't really care about the answer until something goes wrong. When tenants start complaining about leaks, when water drips onto merchandise or office equipment, when someone sends a claim for damages, suddenly everyone's paying attention. And by the time those complaints reach you, it's already too late to stop the damage. Because once the rain sets in, the wind picks up, or snow begins to fall, you can't prevent further leaks. And when every reputable contractor is busy fixing other neglected roofs, you're stuck managing a crisis. That's the moment you realize you don't have control, but you can get it back. Step 1. When there's no roof history, start from zero. Most facility managers inherit buildings with no records, no drawings, no warranty, no maintenance logs. Don't panic. Start by doing a baseline inspection. Identify the system type, metal sheeting, tiles, or waterproofing. Look for past repairs, take photos, and make notes. If you're unsure, get a specialist report. That's your new starting point, the first entry in your roof history. Step 2. Create a roof information file. It can be as simple as a folder on your desktop or in the cloud. What matters is structure. Include your inspection photos, roof layouts, invoices, and any warranty documents you can find. You're not just recording data, you're building continuity. Step 3. Do regular condition assessments, at least twice a year, before and after the rainy season. Look for cracks, blisters, ponding, corrosion, or blocked outlets. Rate each roof section: good, fair, poor, critical. It's a simple system that helps you plan and communicate with confidence. Step 4. Implement preventative maintenance. Small actions make a big difference. Clear debris, open outlets, reseal cracks, check parapet walls. Every small job delays the big one. And remember, once the rain starts, your hands are tied. You can't fix a roof in bad weather. You can only watch the damage spread. Step 5. Build a roof budget and forecast. Plan your spending before leaks force you. Include cleaning, repairs, and replacements in your 3, 5, and 10-year plan. When your client asks for next year's budget, you'll already have the numbers, based on data, not guesswork. Step 6. Centralize all your roof data. Keep everything in one place. No missing photos or lost reports. When the client asks, "How's our roof doing?" you can open your file and show them proof. That's control. Step 7. Stay proactive during bad weather seasons. Plan your inspections before the rain, wind, or snow hits, because once the storm arrives, contractors are booked and it's too late. In facility management, control isn't about avoiding problems. It's about staying ahead of them. Even if you inherited a building with no roof history, you can build your own. Inspect, record, plan, maintain. So next time someone asks, "How's our roof doing?" you can smile and say, "We're in control." Because that's what real facility management looks like.